Hello Libras and Geminis, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 24th of August and so on. And just give me a second, okay? Here we go. Give me a second. I just want to have water and then we begin, okay? Alright, so what I'm seeing for you is that there are pearls, Pearls, and the message is pearls for you, FORYOU. There are pearls for you. And I'm also hearing like someone is sorry. They're sorry. They're sorry for what they said. Even for the tiny thing that they said or the big thing that they said and you never approved of it, possible. However this goes from both the sides, there's certain kind of celebration and pure feelings, those will be surrendered, okay? It's like someone may say something to you. They're also, as I said, sorry, okay? There may be certain proposal coming your way. With the Four of Cups energy here, as you can see, there is something that will be presented to you, and I feel the proposal is kind of connection or connected with the vibe of pearls for you. It's the reflection of that person. Maybe this is actually someone is gifting you that. This is what I feel for you. This is what my connection is with you. This may be someone who is presenting you something because there is something that you're celebrating in your life, okay, as an individual. But for some cases, this is something that is coming as in pearls. With pearls coming luxury in your life, I feel that some of you are buying home near beach, or there is, ocean. That kind of vibe is coming. And I'm also seeing here luxury, or possible some of you are buying, that's what I said, luxurious homes. And there might be some market around those are having pearls, okay? I have to say everything that is coming, whatever they are trying to say. And there is one particular pearl on which there is written pearl. How it makes sense, I don't know. There is this pearl on which it is written pearl, Pearl. Maybe someone's name is Pearl, or there's an engraving happening and someone is giving that to someone, maybe as in pendant form, just one big pearl, or maybe someone is just giving as like a souvenir, or it's something connected with this. Maybe some of you might be having the business of that jewelry, but or maybe this is some addition to your business, or someone is giving something. It is a promise, okay? If someone's name is, you'll know that. If this is not the name, then this is something connected with I know you are the one, kind of, even when they don't say it, it's so clear. So yes, Geminis and Libra, some of you are going to have lot more luxurious life in the coming time, which is about success and fame coming your way. That's also naive feelings, bliss, which is pure, which is yours. I see a lot of luxury will be given to you, like it's yours and you are getting it. Like someone is transferring something for you because it's yours. This may be connected with particular moon phase as well, which is again your connection with the person, and they are going to release what they actually feel, and that is like their pure feelings for you. This may be Pisces. Okay. Someone is giving you assurance here with the fact that I cannot keep things in dual state anymore. And when I see moon, I always feel like there's a lot of bark left, which is about there's a lot of talk left, which is again something needs to be done, and it is required in this time frame, and this is coming, okay? Someone is about to reveal something that they have for you, which is good, okay? No more duality. I can't feel this way for long. I have to say it to you. Okay, and this may be again connected with the moon, pearl, moon, wow. And I feel like someone is seeking that, what we can say, it's like being genuine, and I feel that someone is genuine. And hard time not expressing something, I feel this is the energy. Two of Swords energy, is all about you not saying possible something, but someone else will put up with this, which is about they're going to make it happen. Okay, it's also not confronting, not saying, not seeing. Possible you are not seeing something, or maybe you misjudged something in this time frame, which is again about one of the phases of your relationship or your connection with the person. But pearls, they are all about ocean. Okay, and if we connect this with the mermaid, then those are tears. Okay, when they cry, so something is emotional because it was white pearl, to me at least, that they showed. So pearl and pearls, they are all about, those are my feelings for the person. Someone is showing that those are my feelings for you. So as in like Little Mermaid or Mermaid storyline, this is connected with someone who is in love with you, or you are in love with them, and it is like a forever promise. So I also get this promise. This is love promise. Okay, so it's going to be about need to take decision, no more confusion. And we have to look, you have Ace of Swords on the cut side, which is about no more confusion. We need to take decision because we adore one another and we miss one another. We are missing one another. We need to talk. We are connected. Six of Cups energy. So I see conversation coming, clarification coming, which might not be feeling as though right now, or feeling as though it's at cross, but ultimately there's going to be like when ships return, when the time comes, I'm waiting and I'm going to say it, and it's going to happen in this. Okay, and I talked about someone who is waiting for someone to come. Again, it is about steamers, cruises, ships and all that stuff as well, or services there as well, or someone just is away. Okay, so long distance possible. But this time I'm going to make it clear. Kind of energy, pearls. Yes, this person is coming with something solid. So either, this is mutual, obviously. It's not one-sided. I'm not talking about that. But this energy, okay, I'm sorry, there was someone. This energy is about someone coming, and if you heard, there was bell that was ringing. Six of Cups energy, it's all connected vibe. It's all connected, it's all renovation time, and someone who's coming with solid proposal here. Maybe it went slow, maybe it was not clear, but with the Page of Pentacles, this may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but this is about solid proposal. That's what I heard. And it's very important for them to tell you in person. It is the energy of like someone is interested in telling you in person, meeting you and telling you that this much I love you, this much I adore you. Some of you may be having age differences. If that's not the case, there may be even teenager kind of energy, which may be connected with the child energy, of course, if it fits you. Some legality is possible, custody possible. There's no justice card, but I feel that kind of vibe, like breakthrough, connected, and finally we are going to be together. It's also something that will be registered in your name, or this is also something connected with some childbirth. Here I'm seeing childbirth, and that is being registered. So maybe it happened 1 month ago, or it is happening in coming 1 month, or two weeks or 2 months. That kind of vibe. Okay, this may not be for everyone. And there's a childbirth, and this is like it's connected with kind of like daisies. Okay, so it's like something very special here. And registration, so registration of relationship, or if it is custody, then custody. If it is something else, birth, then it is something being noted down. Maybe it's pearl name. It's also something connected with something that is being transferred. It is registration of land, or land, something connected with that. What's in future coming? Geminis and Libras. Geminis and Libras. Finally. I feel like the words are coming like finally it is coming. Wow. Okay, fine. Finally, whatever was not organized will be organized. You have Five of Pentacles reversed, which is good. Okay. Whatever trouble, wound was there, cold ambience was there, it's going out. whatever was not being given to you, or was snatched away from you, or opportunity was taken away from you, which was not good and was not right, something that was not right, like left out feeling, will be organized in this coming time. 8 of Pentacles will be polished, will be given back. Okay, it will be returned back to you. And it is, I feel like you're going to have your right in something. It's like you're carving out something that you worked really hard for. Okay, that's what the energy is. And those are pearls for you. And I feel all those pearls are your hard work. That's like paying you off. Good. Yes, 9 of Pentacles, because you never let loose of this hope. You never let loose of this whatever is yours or was yours. 9 of Pentacles is also about your freedom. You're free from something that was abusive, that was wounded, that was cold, that was not clear. Then again, it is about having what is yours, is about your right of property, right of situation, right of relationship, right of you as a work, as a person, as a professional person, and as an individual. This is something that you are getting hold of. You're fighting for, or you fought for self-esteem here. What is coming in future? You're going to be free, light-hearted. Geminis and Libras. Sorry, I can't take these, but I'm going to take this, okay? Doctor. Okay, so some of you are going for appointment here to doctor. Okay, your doctor is coming to check you, or some of you are getting this checkup because, as I said, it's childbirth, so possible some of you are going with this phase of pregnancy here, motherhood, possible after birth. You're also having the checkups here, and it is good because you're going to feel light. Okay, you're going to be fine here. That's what I see. You're going to get hold of yourself. You're going to feel more strong here and more organized in the coming time, even if you are having this. So this is all about now and the futures, of course, future, what is going to happen. So doctor is, some of you might be becoming doctor. You might be starting up your own hospital or clinic here. That's a medical thing, but this is what doctor is telling me. You may be seeing someone going and asking for their health, possible. Okay, some of you are going to figure out that you are pregnant. Females out there, okay, don't ask me about, oh my god, I'm male energy. We know, obviously, and you also know the signs. Okay, till late. Okay, so here you go. Like, I'm feeling like looking at this doctor, he's saying that, oh fine, you're totally fine, no need to worry about that. It was just something that you were taking, stress. I feel like this card is all about stress and all energy, but I also feel that they're trying to say, just let loose of what is not serving you the purpose here, and you're going to be fine. Sometimes doctors recommend you that, right? Or maybe a therapist, if it is the situation. You're going to be fine. That's what I see. Because I see smile on your face. Let's see. Wow. Oh, we needed this card, right? So Geminis and Libras, you are celebrating something. So if it is something connected with pregnancy or motherhood, or what is that, baby shower? So this joyfulness may be like that. If this is something that you were concerned about, no need to be, because you're going to be happy. So they're saying, oh, need not to be worried about anything, just enjoy yourself, be light, and you're going to be fine. That's what they're saying. You're going to be fine. And even in Lenormand saying, just enjoy yourself. Okay, conversation is coming, be with the ones who make you happy, chirp around, and everything is going to be fine. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye. Yeah, before I leave, they may say this is about, from your counselor, therapist, doctor, or as in just those pearls were also telling me that this may be connected with water therapy. Okay, for some cases. So water is all about rejuvenation. So maybe you're planning on joining, you know, I need to learn swimming. If you know swimming, then you might be going there. Just, and again, I talked about, did I talk about the beach and all that stuff? So yes, beach and oceans, you know, you may be having a stroll there, walk there, which is again very good for your health. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.